Alrighty, bologna. What are we gonna do with bologna? You're about to find out. Let's get into it. Let's check it out. So I'm working on 2 cooks today. And if you didn't know this, gorillas are great multitaskers. Don't look it up, just believe me. So for the first one, we're gonna be making up a fried bologna sandwich, all out on the smoker, and that's gonna be for the last chance cook-off. So if you're watching this mid-September, you can click this link up here to watch that video. And the second one is gonna be bologna burnt ends. And I'm actually gonna do those up 2 different ways as well. So I wanted to do all this cooking one day, so I bought 1 big log of bologna. And let's get into it. Alrighty, let's get started. First off, I just want to mention the size of this cutting board. This is a massive bologna log. Look how small it is. My dad made me this. Awesome, has my initials in it. So that is 1 giant hot dog. I want half burnt ends, half sandwich. So we're just gonna, alright, so I'm gonna start with the burnt end one. Get over there. I'm gonna take this off about here. So this, I'm gonna chop up into regular burnt ends. This, I'm gonna try and experiment with. Have you seen the blooming onions from any restaurant? We're gonna try to do that with this. So I'm gonna place these here as a guide to see how far I can cut down. So when I cut down, it should be the same amount for every cut. So I'm just kind of space these out a little bit. And I'm gonna turn it. Do the same thing on this side. Now, as you can see, it's already blooming apart, like so. So I'm gonna be using some The Gospel from Meat Church. We're experimenting today. We're just gonna hit it with some vegetable oil. I'm gonna try to open it up, get it inside. When it's cooking, you could hit the inside a little more, a little easier. I cut down a little deeper than I was trying to, but it should be fine. All right, we're gonna call that good for that guy. Set him to the side. And then for these burnt ends, I'm gonna do them a little more traditionally. We're gonna cut these completely up. More seasoning. These guys are ready for the smoker. I got it going at 225 degrees with some pecan wood in there. I'm gonna take a chunk of pecan wood, put it underneath this to kind of spread it out on the smoker. So that's how I was talking about them getting all spread open. All right, guys, the burnt ends are looking awesome. Look at those. So they all spread apart. Probably about another 45 minutes. All right, guys, it's been about an hour and a half. But these burnt ends are looking awesome. Look at that blooming burnt end. All right, I'm gonna pull these off, add some barbecue sauce, and then I'll put them back on for just a little bit longer. Look at that. That is amazing. So I'm gonna go with some, you already know it, Uncle Steve's. Almost out. Gonna drizzle this over. Put that back on. Gonna drizzle these guys. Oh no, Uncle Steve, I'm out. I'll try to add a little bit of honey. And the secret ingredient. Time to pull them. We're gonna a little bit of Founders All Day IPA. See those in about 30-ish minutes. Guys, I don't know if you're ready for this. Look at those. That's amazing. I mean, the star of the show, that Bloomin', that looks awesome. These guys, they're a little, they don't look as much. They aren't as tacky, but they still taste awesome. Easy finger food. You can put those on toothpicks. Whew. Let me move this out of the way. A little sneak peek of the other video. Oh, don't want to see it too much. Whoop. Got to watch the other video for that one. That'll be coming out next week. All right, guys, we are done with this one. Let me just look at that. I'm just going to, like a bloomin' onion, pull off a piece. Oh my gosh. The smoke flavor, the sweetness from the meat church, and then the awesome no-name barbecue sauce. These are amazing, and you just pull them off. It's like a little easy appetizer. They don't take long to cook. Barely anything goes into them. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure if the other bologna video is already up, go watch that one too. It's part of a huge collab, but I just wanted to try this out as well, and they do not disappoint. So make sure you guys give this a try when you buy bologna next time. So cheap, so easy, so delicious. Have a good one.